How to find recent searches on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on your activity, and here you want to click on recent searches, where you will be able to review things you've searched for on Instagram and clear your search history. You will land on this page right here. As you can see, you'll find all of your recent searches, but keep in mind that Instagram tells you that only things you have searched for in the main search bar will appear here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and check and see your recent searches on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.